Alright guys, so we're just about ready to get started, but before that I just want to mention a couple things and give you some tips and direction before you get started with the course. So as far as source code goes, the full project will be on GitHub. You can see the link right there. I'm also going to include incremental source code for each section. So for instance, if you're in section 4 and you want the code up to that point, it'll be in the last video of section 4. Okay, if you want to use it for reference or for testing or whatever it may be. Now, this is quite a large project and there's a lot of room for error. And if you get stuck, I would really encourage you to do some debugging, testing, searching for the answer on your own. And this is a vital part of learning. Okay, you don't want to get an error and not even think about it, not even look it up, and then just post and try to have someone fix it for you. That's not really a real life situation, and I want you guys to be prepared for real life. If after a while you're still stuck, then go ahead and leave a post in the Q&A. Include your issue and your code, maybe a screenshot. And if I can't help you from the post, I may ask you to email me your full code base. All right, now if I don't get to your question, please don't get upset or get offended. I have many courses and I'm constantly bombarded with emails and posts and even things like Discord chats and Facebook chat requests, and it gets very overwhelming and it's next to impossible for me to get to everybody. All right, but in every course I've created, there's been very helpful people in the Q&A, so please check other people's responses as well. And most importantly, if you do see someone struggling with something and you know the answer, please take a minute and just help them out. It'll help them out. It'll also help me out as well. All right, now bugs and issues. This is not an app that was built by a team in the course of many months. This is just something that I created on my own in a very short amount of time. So there is a chance that you may run into a bug or two in certain situations. Okay, there might have been a situation where I didn't get to test or that I missed. So if you find anything like that, please post it in the Q&A and I will try to address it and either document it in the course or even re-record that part of the course. Okay, we also may add some new sections and functionality to the app later on. All right, now enough babble, let's jump in and get started. We're going to set up our environment, set up our text editor to start working with the MERN stack.